Hello everyone and welcome to the 2023-2024 school year. I wanted to make a short welcome video just to introduce you to myself and to the resources that I have on my YouTube channel. Well, first of all, my name is Ryne Roper, and in class my students call me Mr. Roper. You'll see in just a minute on my YouTube channel that the header says Mr. Roper Math. And so I want to just take a minute and welcome you to a new school year and show you a little bit about how I have my videos organized on my channel and how you can, first of all, find my channel. You probably have already done that already, but how to navigate it, which course you're taking, which videos would be most helpful, so on and so forth. So if I bring up my screen right now on my computer, see I've typed in Ryne Roper in the search bar. I think if you type in Mr. Roper Math or something similar, it should pop up. And you'll notice right here, the R squared is my channel logo. So if you click on that, it will take you to my channel. So starting off on the home screen, if you scroll down, you'll notice that I have the videos organized by course. So at the top, you'll see Algebra 2. I have a video for all topics that will be covered in Algebra 2. Geometry would be next, and then Algebra 1. So for those three courses that you would take in high school or middle school, I have a video for pretty much everything you are going to see on that. No matter which curriculum, which state, which country you might be taking Algebra 1 in, these videos should correspond to what you're learning in class. So now if we keep scrolling down a little bit, I do have a video on the TI-84 Plus, or a playlist on the TI-84 Plus CE graphing calculator. I think I have around 30 or so videos, just some different tutorials, how-tos. This is the calculator that I use in my class that my students are required to have. So if you're one of my students, make sure you buy this. I know it's about $150 US, and so definitely not cheap, but it's something that you're going to use for pretty much the rest of your high school math career. So going down a little bit from there, I have a playlist for Tennessee 8th grade math. I used to teach in the state of Tennessee, and those are videos that go along with the state standards in Tennessee. So if you're from Tennessee, if you're in 8th grade, then these videos could be of benefit to you. Just scrolling down, popular videos, I do have a couple of shorts, just some maybe little snippets of problems, specific problems that I kind of work through, or tips or tricks and things like that, okay? So if we go back up to the three main courses that I have, Algebra 2, Geometry, and Algebra 1. If you are in Algebra 2, then I'm not your teacher this year. The courses that I teach are Algebra 1 and Geometry, but I wanted to kind of offer a way for my former students to still benefit from my channel, so I went ahead and made some Algebra 2 videos last school year. But how I have organized these is kind of by unit. So obviously each textbook, each curriculum, the units are going to be different and in different orders. So this is just one way that units or topics in these courses could be organized. So for Algebra 2, linear functions, this would be a playlist that contains, for example, 14 videos just on topics and examples that would be relevant with linear functions, okay? So for geometry, we have basics of geometry with 6 videos, reasoning and proofs, so on and so forth. If we look to the right, notice an arrow here. If we click on that, it'll show some later playlists for towards the end of the course. And then lastly, Algebra 1, same thing. So this would be 5 units here. Hit the arrow, there's an additional 5 for Algebra 1, okay? So that's a little bit about my channel, kind of how I have it organized, and the way that you could use it, whether you are one of my students or any student anywhere around the world who might find yourself taking Algebra 1, Geometry, or Algebra 2 this year. Maybe you're a parent or some adult or guardian who has a child, grandchild, friend, nephew, niece, something like that, who's going through one of these courses, and you want to kind of check up your understanding of these courses so that you could help them at home with whatever questions they may have, okay? So that's a rundown of what my channel looks like. My plans going forward for this school year are to upload videos for pre-algebra, okay? So that's my plan. That's what I have on the docket for this year. So I hope everyone has a great start to the school year, whether you're starting this week, next week, maybe you've already started, or maybe you don't start until around Labor Day. I hope you have a fantastic start to the school year, and I hope that my channel can help you enjoy and expand on your understanding of math. Let's have a great year.